Audio Jungle.
Hi all! Today's quiz topic is about India GK Part 2. Let's begin. Which Indian state derives its name from a Sanskrit term meaning abode of clouds? Answer: Meghalaya. The name Meghalaya means abode of clouds in Sanskrit. Before the States Reorganization Act 1956, which state had already been created on linguistic grounds? Answer: Andhra State. Andhra State was India's first linguistic state formed before the 1956 Reorganization Act. Kaziranga National Park, famous for the one-horned rhinoceros, is located in Answer: Assam. Kaziranga is home to the world's largest population of one-horned rhinoceroses. The state sharing its boundaries with Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat is Answer: Rajasthan. Rajasthan shares borders with 5 Indian states and Pakistan. Which glacier situated in the Indian Himalayas is the longest in India? Answer: Siachen Glacier. Siachen Glacier, situated in the eastern Karakoram Range, is the longest glacier in India. Which hill range derives its name from the bluish appearance of its landscape? Answer: Nilgiri Hills. The bluish appearance is all because of Kurinji flowers and its atmospheric conditions. In which year was Sikkim formally admitted as the 22nd state of the Indian Union? Answer: 1975. Sikkim officially became India's 22nd state on 16th May 1975. Which Indian state prevents Bihar and West Bengal from sharing a common land boundary? Answer: Jharkhand. Jharkhand prevents Bihar and West Bengal, separating the two states and preventing them from sharing a direct land boundary. Which lake holds the distinction of being India's largest inland saline lake? Answer: Sambar Lake. Sambar Lake in Rajasthan is India's largest inland saline lake and an important source of salt production. Which state was created under the Madhya Pradesh Reorganization Act 2000 following the bifurcation of Madhya Pradesh? Answer Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh was formed in 2000 as India's 26th state after separating from Madhya Pradesh. The UNESCO World Heritage Site of Hampi is situated in which Indian state? Answer Karnataka. Hampi in Karnataka was the capital of the Vijayanagara Empire. The title Land of the Red River and Blue Hills refers to? Answer Mizoram. The nickname comes from the reddish soil and scenic blue hill ranges of Mizoram. Which water body holds the distinction of being the largest freshwater lake in northeast India? Answer Loktak Lake. Loktak Lake in Manipur is the largest freshwater lake in northeast India. The Festival of Festivals refers to the Hornbill Festival celebrated in which state? Answer Nagaland. The Hornbill Festival showcases the rich tribal culture of Nagaland. And that's all for today's quiz. Don't forget to comment your final score below. Thanks for watching. Watch the next quiz and subscribe to GK Arivulagam for more GK videos.